my name is Sam. So our project is the rainbow paper. So what you need is you need a glass bowl, fill it up about halfway with hot water. We have our tissue paper, and we have green dye, green food coloring, blue food coloring, yellow, and red. So what we're going to have to do is we need to put the tissue paper into the water, not too much though, and it rains. So what you want to do now is your key points. So what we want to do is we want to add a drop of each coloring. And as you can see, it's taking a little while for And now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to let it sit. And this is part 1 of our experiment. And in 24 hours we will continue with this. Again, this is part 1. And yeah. Hi, my name is Sam, and we have somebody else getting ready in the back. So this here is part 2 of our science experiment of rainbow paper, and so we've had it dry for 3 days now, and so this is how it turned out. And this is not how we wanted it to turn out. So, how we wanted it to turn out is we wanted all of the we didn't want all of the colors to make like a brown color, like mixing all of the colors together. If you dye coloring, we did not want it to make like a brown color. But other than that, I think it turned out okay. Thank you.
What's the science?
It was supposed to turn out, it was supposed to look, well, it was actually supposed to turn out, like the colors were supposed to make, like you were supposed to have 1 color on the line, 2 colors on the line. Like, we did 4 colors, so there should have been 1 color on one part, another color on the other, and another color.
Why does it do that? Why does it do that?
Well, whenever you add water to food coloring, the water will break apart. Like if you were going to put a drop of food coloring into the water on a spool, it would the food coloring wouldn't stay like all by itself. It would spread out, and that is why it turned out like this, because we added too much water.